Alright, what's up, you guys? So, today I'm gonna go over nasdaq and I'm gonna cover quick Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm gonna cover nasdaq, SPX, and Bitcoin and Ethereum real quick. Alright, so this is a daily candle. If you notice with Ethereum, after we shot up, right? We were going up, we then started creating this new foundation, this new area here. But not just that, after continuing going up, there's a trend line happening. There's a trend. The trend is your friend, right? After that, notice how it got stuck in this area over here. This one we were peaking. This is where investors trading, especially after this fall right here, saying, is this it? Is this a peak for the SPX and the NASDAQ? Are we gonna look for the retracement? Is this just a retracement? Retracement, whatever you call it. And then the market correction, pretty much a correction. Liquidity. Because if you think about it, you got people holding this area right here. You got people holding this area right here. You got people holding this area right here for buys, day traders, going for stupid buys. So you need to liquidate all of them, whatever. So the trend's happening, and we get to this area right here. On Wednesday, I forgot who. I think it was Monday when the Fed talked, if I'm correct. Let me check real quick. So the Fed talked Monday, and that's what I don't get, and I keep saying this. If the Fed talked Monday, and afterwards the market, okay, right here, my bad, I was looking at the wrong one. Monday, the market, all day, this is all day today. All day Monday. If you notice, the market fucking blew up, but it didn't have a crazy fall right then and there. Right? That's when we made the statement. The next day, nothing really happened, still held. That's right, cool. All of a sudden, Wednesday, the markets fall. Why? Because interest rates are cutting, and after the Fed said so-and-so comment, investors are now scared that because market cap and the Russell went up, and AI bubble is about to pop. Is that it for the indexes? Are about to retrace? Or all these questions, right? Till Wednesday, not Monday when he talked. Till Wednesday, which I was fucking weird. That was weird, random as hell. So then, when we start having this drop, I told you guys Thursday is the last day that we'll have to really give it that push, with Netflix coming at the end, or we're gonna get stuck there. And Thursday we're gonna have and Friday we're gonna have no data, and we're not gonna continue going on up. If we don't pick up by Thursday, we're gonna fall. We're gonna start falling Friday night because we don't have no data sustaining. And I kept saying on the videos that I saw the market going on down, especially if Friday we didn't have no data, especially Thursday, because Thursday we only had Thursday we had unemployment at 5:30, so that was the only thing, unemployment, and then the Netflix. So that was Thursday. So Tuesday we started falling. So my bad. Tuesday we started falling, but still Monday held. No fear. No shit. The Fed said what? Oh shit. Let's. If it was down here doing this, it would be understandable. The market is in fear because of what the Fed said. Here comes Tuesday. Some good data, whatever fuck came out Tuesday. But no, the market, instead of reacting right there, waited all that time to the nighttime to then start falling down. Which, it's time. It's all about time. It's all about time. If the Fed really, if traders, whatever, really scared of what the Fed said, then they would have fucking started right then and there. But no, they waited till the nighttime because it's about time. It's all about time. You notice how it happened in that. It happened early too. Wait, hold up, my bad. Yeah, it started the same time, between the 11:45 and 12:30 area right here. And they start flying down, cause the closer we are to 2 a.m., the better for you. So you start making you move an hour and a half before. That way you end your day at the point that you wanted, which either was down here. See, 1, 2 in the morning. Yeah, it makes perfect fucking sense because you're in the edge, and then that way the next 4 hours or the next 4 hours are gonna be scared. You're on the train line that you were supposed to bounce off of. You crossed it over. All this was bad. All this the they're not respecting the train line. The closing below it, closing on the edge. What time it closed at 2 in the morning. All bad. Um, because again we had data on Wednesday, it's the Thursday. I said 5:30, right? So even though we had that data at 5:30, the market said, "Man, we that ain't shit. We don't give a fuck about that." So here it starts falling throughout the night, and then this is when I said that we needed. So there's still there's Wednesday. And Wednesday, what do you have Wednesday? Yeah, that made it worse. Wednesday we didn't have shit. We didn't have nothing. We didn't have earnings. We had some light data, but the data nobody really cared about. So again, this is your next trend line. I was like, we broke this trend line, and now we're gonna try to make it up and close above. That way, we can have some time and bullshit. And then here comes Thursday with good data, and we go up again, earnings, Netflix, all that bullshit. But no, we reject, especially at nighttime. Nighttime is your last time. Why? Because we closing a 12-hour candle at 2 in the morning. So making the last move at the sweet time between 11:45 12:30 is your time to go for that move. Notice right here, 2 in the morning rejection right here. That's all bad. This is all bad. The fact that it went back in, the way it's holding, this should have kept on going on up. It shouldn't be doing this right here. So as the market was doing this, to me it was all bad. To me it was all bad, especially because Thursday we had no data on Thursday. I believe it was Thursday. Actually, we did. My bad. So Thursday was the last day. We're like, okay, we got unemployment high. Also, we got Netflix, and so Thursday morning, data came out at 5:30. Reacts to it. It was good, or it's bad because it came out 5:30. So you go for 50-minute candle. See right, you see how it touches right on the trend line, and then starts going back. See trend line, rejection, going down. If it would have passed it, crystal for right here, bullshit. Go for the move, go back on track, and so on. But all this right here, it's like So again, the rejecting this, especially in the morning, and especially at that time, you then wait for this 7:45 to 8:30 area. 7:15, still in the low area, all fucking bad. That time again, you want to be up here. Just staying below this blue line was fucking bad. I'm pretty sure. So you got the Fibonacci was a 50 right here. I noticed that the other day. Watch. Let me put my indicators back on, and I'm only gonna leave the Fibonacci. Fibonacci 3.8. Where's the 50 at? 50 is down here. Oh shit! And that's what I was looking right now too. Cause we're back at the basement. So this is the basement. This is the foundation's up here. We're the basement. So we're still in the house. We're still in the house. We're just in the basement. So we're gonna respect this 50. We're gonna have some sort of good news over the weekend, and the market's gonna look forward for maybe Monday or Tuesday data, and it's gonna maintain here and try going up, and especially because in the 50. So it makes sense too that again when the market does this, the market what you want the market to do is go above the 50 and keep bouncing above it. The moment you drop the 50 and you just keep wicking it, you're gonna start then going on down. That's how the Fibonacci works. Everything above the 50 is good. Anything bouncing above the 50 is good. Anything below the 50 rejection means that's going down. That's pretty much how the Fibonacci works. So the fact that we're going back there, we close right there, whatnot, is letting me know that we're gonna either respect it with data, we're gonna fall, and then it's gonna either halfway throughout the week we're gonna get saved, or we're gonna keep on dumping and end up somewhere here, most likely maybe Tuesday or sooner than that. And if we break on Tuesday, then there's gonna be a go for Thursday or whatnot. Again, if we keep having bad news, and then that's when really investors are gonna be start saying, is this is this not just a retracement but an actual crash or some sort of crash or whatnot? Especially because we get the traders saying that, hey, the Fed's gonna cut interest rates and that's gonna affect our certain stocks, and therefore we need to change certain stocks and not really focus on the indexes, SPX and the nasdaq. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And especially you had the box right here. Yeah, a box. You would have boxed this up. Been the box. This would have been the box right here. You would have seen this rejection going on down, especially this right here. Anyways, all this was telling you pretty much where it's going down. I put up Fibonacci by accident right here. The fuck? Oh no, it's an automatic one. So look, forward candle. Where's the Fibonacci at? Oh, it's up here. See? Respecting. The moment it broke it, hit our candle. Respected, broke it. Respected, broke it. Like you guys like my sound effects. So there's the last. This is our last hope. This is respected, or respected or not respected. I mean, and then it's gonna be the next area. I'm gonna try maybe hit right here, and then try make it on up, and then now try to shoot on up. It's gonna act like a resistance, go on down type of shit. So yeah, that's okay. So that's enough of the Nasdaq and how these trend lines work, whatnot. First trend line, and then this trend line. Let me show you where it comes from. I want to make it a different color too, because this is a really important one. This one goes all the way down here, and that's not the main one. So if we broke this, so we're on this right, push. All right, cool. And we, damn it. Yeah, we recently closed, and we fucking just smashed through that shit. So what that's making me think now is hold up, you guys, my bad. What that's making me think now is the next trend line that we have is down here. This one, which is the main one, which is the main one, which is the main one. Watch. Since November of 22. All right, so this will be big. This, if we do start retracement and we hear all this panic, this is gonna be our target right here, and most likely once we get here, September, November area. Heck, no, we could fucking come here earlier, but that'll be interesting how it plays out. If we end up coming here, maybe we come here in the near the rate cuts area, or it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting if it comes to this area, how it's gonna react, because it's a trend line that's been since, like I said, since January, pretty much December. So pretty much what, 7 months, just bouncing on this trend line. So it's gonna be important when it comes down to it and touches it again. And then I wonder what day that's gonna be. That's gonna be really interesting to find out. Anyways, now we'll go for SPX. And I'll send, so on SPX, I'll send the homie a screenshot that we were gonna end the day right here, especially when I saw this move happening here. I was like, we're gonna end the day here, right on the trend line. This trend line has been going on since April. Then we have this other one that's been happening. I'm gonna put that on the daily. Oh, it's a daily. Since October, respected, create a new trend line, and that's where we end up closing. So, see how everything's playing out. You got the nasdaq. You got the nasdaq breaking those two resistance, but closing on that basement area. You got SPX closing on a trend line that was on recently. So all this playing out. SPX loses its trend line. Nasdaq will lose the basement, and it'll go to the next area. SPX has to create support here because it's a thick resistance area. So what you want to create it on top of that's a weekly. So you're most likely gonna see something about getting stuck here in this weekly daily area. Daily is orange, blue is weekly. So the fact that it's a strong candle formation right here in this area lets me know it's a strong support. On top of that, it's on a weekly area. So normally when you come across weeklies, it's stronger than daily. So that foundation is gonna be stronger to pass. It's gonna be hard to pass. So we're gonna come down. We're gonna reject bullshit here and then respect this trend line, which is the trend line that's been happening since October, and then going up, and then you're gonna then see Nasdaq follow or whatnot. Go back into that red first trend, that recent trend line that it broke, and then onto the next one. If that's the plan right here. If all this breaks and then Nasdaq breaks that current area, then yeah, then you will see more of the, hey, this is the market going down. If blah 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 blah, what stocks should you be focusing on now to make money and all this shit you gotta start hearing. Daily. Oh, this was your next area that you hoped that'll get stuck on and go back up. Let me see how it reacted in the 1 hour. It should react to it. Yeah, see? See, it goes right on it, psh, create support, and then psh. And that's what I was seeing. So see, that's why all these boxes and trend and lines are important, because I know how they're gonna react, especially if they're daily, 12 hour, 8 or 4. These right here are weak, but these right here are medium, and these right here are strong as fuck. So, anyways, also when I saw this, I was like, okay, so I saw the market. Thursday, 7 in the morning. It did this, right? And then, actually, my bad, you guys. Oh, it's already red. Green? Yeah, it's better. Alright, so Wednesday was Wednesday night. Thursday, and then we fell. And then Friday. So Friday, I was seeing. So first of all, the fact that we held this area right here, I was like, all right. I mean, I don't really see the market going up, and I told you guys, I don't see the market going up. I don't care if it's holding here. There's nothing for the market to look out for tomorrow. My bad. There's nothing for the market to say, hey, we got data at 5:30. Hey, we got data at 10. Hey, we got earnings coming up from Nvidia, Tesla, Facebook. Something big. There wasn't. So the fact that it was holding, I was like, nah, we're gonna fucking fall down. And look, it's Thursday night, we fall, right? And then once we're falling throughout the night, I'm like, all right, well, I mean, hopefully it creates support and we go up again. But I didn't see it. The fact that it was holding throughout the morning, I'm like, what are you fucking working up for? Like, I know you're going up for because the market opening and you're expecting the market to react to it, but the market ain't gonna react to shit. So you're most likely gonna fall down. And I was working, and as I saw this, here's the market opening, zoom. So all this was bad. The moment it goes down here again at 7, I just want to text a homie, hey, it's gonna fall down here, and I'll send you a screenshot. I'll do a short about it, showing you guys that I'll send them the screenshot, telling that we're gonna close SPX right here. I already told you guys what I expect, for this week pretty much. I expect this trend line going up, or we break it, Nasdaq breaks that area that it's holding, and then this is gonna be our whole break it or make it. We break it, we hold it, we going up. We break this, Nasdaq breaks that area, and then this is gonna be our. Are we gonna go sideways and then touch it and go up, or are we gonna be straight up and just say hey fuck you and then continue going on down? That's pretty much where this area is important. The fact that Nasdaq closed on that basement, the fact that XPX closed on the trend line, it's the fact that it's all telling you this is it for the bottom, and we may retrace on up slowly, or we're gonna continue with the fear. We're gonna break this trend line. Nasdaq is gonna break that base main area that we're on, and we're gonna keep on falling. That's pretty much it, you guys. Now to Bitcoin. Now you break them down to sections. Alright. So I told you guys right here. I told you, hey, the crypto market sets up around Thursday or Friday. Monday through Wednesday, just bullshit. And then Thursday night, coming into Friday, it'll set up for the actual move, because it knows the last 3 days are coming. Kind of like with the regular market. Once we close Thursday, Friday, investors, especially we have data or whatnot, investors really fucking key on it or whatever. The fact that we got Ethereum coming out with pretty much Ethereum's gonna be able to be used for some other money shit. And since that's happening, the market is anticipating that. On top of that, other good news from BlackRock and so and so buying shit, and a bunch of motherfuckers are buying this shit every fucking single day. You know how much good data there's coming out every day of Bitcoin, and how much the government fucked with it. And on top of that, you got Trump saying how he's looking forward for Bitcoin and working something with Bitcoin. So now people are saying, no, ever since the shooting, the market went up because Trump was okay, blah 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 blah. Again, they're gonna say all kinds of fucking reasons why the Bitcoin. Nobody knows why Bitcoin goes up. Nobody knows. But social media, influencers, whatever, they're gonna give you the market went up because big crypto market went up because Trump is getting elected and he got saved. And no, let's shut the fuck up. Why would I be saying on Thursday too, hey guys, expect the market to go on up, whatever, whatnot, and then you have traders saying, oh, it went up because Trump survived the shooting and he said he's gonna work with it and blah 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 blah. But at the same time, so you see, everybody's gonna have their own opinions why the market went up, whether it be stocks, crypto. Everybody's gonna have their own opinion why the market went up. But if you watch my videos, it's always gonna be about time. It's always gonna be about time, prices, and boxes. That's all I talk about. I don't say, hey, BlackRock bought 200, or Elon said he's gonna buy Doge, and therefore, and you get your trainer right here selling it too. You break out, bounce, 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 broke it. Fucking phone, man. Oh, it's already in front. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna pause this real quick. So I'm making you for Nasdaq.